Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel where I cover everything mommy and lifestyle. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to stay tuned so you never miss a video. In today's video, we're going to be organizing my little baby's nursery. So just the checklist for today, we have to organize this dresser right here, the closet behind me, and then also a caddy, which is just going to go beside my rocking chair. Before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe down below, thumbs up this video if you like it and you want to see more like it, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video. Before we start, I just want to show some of the things that I will be using in today's video. So for all of my Canadian people out there, I went to Solutions. I'm not sure if Solutions is offered anywhere else in the world or if it's just Canada, but equivalent would probably just be the Container Store. And yeah, so I picked up some of these. They're little organizers that are just going to go in the dresser. And if you can see on the picture here, it's just to help you organize all of the smaller things. And then they come with a slidable, like adjustable little, I don't know what this is called. So you can customize them however you want. So I just got a long skinny one. And then I got, ooh, geez, 3 of these bigger ones. And these bigger ones also do come with that little divider thing or tool right here. Also, or if I can link those down below, I will. And also the closet back here we just got from Walmart. It was just super cheap, affordable, but very useful closet organizer. So I got everything in that closet there from Walmart, so I will link that down below. It's very affordable. I think it was either $60 or $80, and very easy to set up as well. So the first step is just to put away and to hang up all of the clothes that I got. So I will do a montage of that, and then I'll go in later and show you what I did.
In paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hopefully we get old. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hopefully we get old.
Okay guys, so his closet is now put together. Up here I have all of his 0 to 3 months. I have all of his like undershirts, and then I have like his like footed onesies. And then we go down here to where he has all of his like 6 to 12 month clothes. So that's all that. And then up here, this is like 12 month onward. Down here in this little drawer here, I have all of his baby socks. Over here, I just have all of his bibs so far. And then up here, I have all of his hats and stuff. And that one, I'm not sure what to put up in that one yet. Maybe just like miscellaneous stuff that we have like no space for. And then I was thinking in this middle one right here, we could just put like Star Wars themes or like, I don't know, like some action figures maybe. We'll see.
Stop.
So let me just show you what I did here with the dresser. So in the first drawer here, it's going to be all of his changing things. So all of his diapers. I have some wipes right here, some butt cream, and then little pee-pee teepees. For those of you who don't know what these are hilarious. And then also just some like hair ties and, or not hair ties, but like hair brushes and grooming supplies as well. Then down in here, I just have all of his swaddles. And then over here, I have all of his pants that I just like rolled up and put in those little divider things. So these are all like the 0 to 3 months, and then just the older they get, the farther they go back. So those are his pants. And then the last drawer right here, so all of his bathing stuff, so shampoos and body creams and stuff like that, some bath toys as well, just some like leftover pacifiers that we have, and then just some like miscellaneous stuff, a blanket that was knit for us, which is amazing, and just like miscellaneous stuff. Then over here in his caddy, I have right next to the rocking chair that we'll be using, I just have a whole bunch of things. So some like burp cloths, a swaddle, some little tiny, I guess, burp cloths, some wipes because you always need them with babies, and then in here, this little bag right here is just all of his like medical, I want to say. So like the little nose sucker here, a little thermometer. Oh, nope, never mind. That's a brush. But there's like a thermometer and everything in here. Then in the second row down here, I have just more of his like swaddles there at the back. And then over here, I have just like some extra onesies. So these ones are the long sleeve ones and short sleeves. And then the bottom one right here, I just have some cream for him. And then just some extra like stuffed animals, little like, what are these called? I'm not sure what these are called, but they're super popular. And then some rattles and an extra little, is that a wubba nub? I think that's a wubba nub. So that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That would be great. It didn't take too long. It only took about an hour and a half to do, which I thought it was going to take a lot longer than that. So I'm very happy with the final product, and I hope you guys are too. Make sure to stay tuned for a nursery tour, because that is coming up on my channel very soon. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.